In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google File Stream. First, go to Application window on your desktop. If you don't have this icon, then you are not logged into the network. Go down to the Show Hidden Icons. Right-click the blue O for OES. At the very top, go to OES Login and log in with your network credentials. Go ahead and open up Application window. Here you will see Google Drive File Stream. Double-click to download. Once it is finished downloading, at the bottom right, Show Hidden Icons, click Drive File Stream and click Sign In. Sign in with your district login. After you sign in, let Google sync your files to your computer. Next your way through all of this, and you can open up your drive. The drive is located under File Explorer in this PC. It is the Google Drive File Stream, or the G drive. Also on the left side you can see it here, and if you go into it, you have access to your drive and your shared drives. If you have any issues, please contact your building technician.